What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Ron P Media. Make sure if you're new to this channel, you hit the subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you updated when I put out new content. Please help your boy grow this channel. I've been working hard. Appreciate y'all rocking with me this long. But as you can tell by the title, we're about to jump into Distrokid. This video is sponsored by Distrokid. And if you don't know what Distrokid is, it's a way for artists to get your music online on so many different platforms. I'm talking Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, Apple Music. They got TikTok now. Like, they got a lot of plans that you can pick from as well. You know, I think they got like maybe 4 different plans you could pick from, starting low as $19.99 a year. Not a month, a year. You know what I'm saying? But I also got a surprise for y'all too. No matter what plan you pick, I got a link in the description box that if you click and sign up with that link, you will save 7% on whatever plan you pick. You feel me? Who don't want to save no money? So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run through some of the plans and let y'all know what kind of plans they got. Before I jump into the plans, also I want y'all to know that Distrokid is so different than any of these other online companies because Distrokid lets you keep 100% of your earnings. A lot of these companies don't. They be like, yo, I need 5% from this and I need 10% of it. Distrokid, like, keep it. Just pay us that year. Pay us for your subscription and do y'all thing. We don't want nothing. So Distrokid, they winning because just on that alone. All right, so they got a plan called the musician plan that starts at $19.99 a year. That's the lowest plan that they got. And you get unlimited uploads. You can upload as many songs as you want. You can upload as many of the lyrics to the song that you want. And with that plan, they also help you get a verified check mark on Spotify. Like $19.99 a year, you can't beat that. And then don't forget, if you sign up under my link in the description, you're gonna save 7% on that $19.99 a year. So I'm just saying, make sure I hit that link. So that's the musician plan. Then they also have the musician plus plan. That's $35.99 a year. Still ain't bad. You can still hit that link, 7% off of that. So with this plan, you get unlimited songs you can upload, unlimited lyrics you can upload. You get the Spotify verified check mark. You get to sync your music and lyrics to Instagram. You get your daily sales stats, so you know where you at, what you selling, how you doing, you know what I'm saying? You get a customizable label name, which means you can put your, if you have a record label, you can put your record label name on. So when people go on iTunes and look up your music, your record label name will come up as well. You know what I'm saying? You don't get that with the $19.99 plan. Let me see. You get customizable release dates, which means that you can put your music up there and say, I want to release my song, my album November 1st. Well, I put it up there and it'll automatically do it. So let's just say on October 31st, I break my ankle and I'm in the hospital. Well, guess what? Distrokid gonna automatically put out your album on November 1st. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever day you pick. So that's also a plus too. So you can have scheduled releases, customizable pre-order dates. People can pre-order your album as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's just a good look as an artist. You get customizable iTunes pricing, which is also dope because usually when people put stuff on iTunes set a price. You know what I'm saying? Well, you can set your price. You might not want to sell your song or your music for 99 cents. You might want to sell it for 69 cents. Well, guess what? You can do it with that plan. Now they got another plan called the label plan. That one's a little more pricier, but again, you get more. You got to pay to play. And I don't care how pricey these are. Make sure you hit that link in the description so you're going to save 7%. I'm trying to tell you, you can save some money, you know what I'm saying? But this plan right here is called the label plan. This is $79.99 a year. Okay, this plan, same thing. Unlimited upload, songs, verified Spotify checkmark, unlimited lyrics upload, sync your music to Instagram, daily stat, customizable. Here's the, this is the difference between this plan. This is what you're getting. You can have more artists under this plan. So like if you're a CEO or you just got you and your homeboys and y'all all trying to go in on something, you can have up to 5 or more artists on this plan. So like I can put out my music and make money and stuff, and then this artist can do it, and this, and it's all under this plan or whatever. So it's like we all get to share this plan, you know. So if you and your homeboys, y'all want to put some money in, and y'all all just be under that umbrella where y'all can put y'all music out online, that's what that plan is for. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't suggest doing that plan if you're a solo artist, or even if you're a group of just you and one other person. I wouldn't suggest doing that one. I would suggest doing the $35.99 a year plan. But if it's just a bunch of y'all, I think that $79.99 a year plan would be better. Another thing that Distrokid offered that I think is real cool, that if you have a team, let's say you got a manager, you got an assistant, you got the producer, well, Distrokid can set it up to where your online sales will automatically go to those people. So you don't have to worry about when you get the money, or I got to break off this much for him, this much. Distrokid will automatically distribute or distribute the money to whoever it belongs to. So that way your team can, you know, like if I put out a project, I had a lot of help with it, you know, my team can eat off of that too, you know what I'm saying? So they make it so easy to just be an artist, because sometimes you can't worry about all of the business side of it, you know. Sometimes you just want to be an artist and create. Well, Distrokid allow the artist to create and not have a headache, and they don't make things complicated. It's so simple, and it's the easy way to go. It's the best way to go. I would highly recommend using Distrokid. So make sure you go in the description box, sign up with Distrokid under the link that I give you, so you can save some money and put out some music, man. I look forward to hearing from y'all music. When y'all put out music, make sure y'all comment and let me know where I could go check out y'all music. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. I cannot stress that enough. Please subscribe, help your boy. We're on the road to 1K. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and shouts out to Distrokid for sponsoring this video. And to the next time, we out. Your boy Ron P Media. Peace.